Hey, it's Dave with Some Days Today, and this is one of those RV flash tips that I've been putting out. This is actually, I think, the 10th one, and it's to give you the 8 reasons why you need to get SnapPads for your RV. They're easy to install, and there's a lot of videos out there about the installation and the great things about these units, but a lot of them don't mention the following reasons. They're made from recycled tires, so it's good for the environment. There's a 2-year warranty. They protect your stabilizer feet and your tongue jack foot from rocks and things that can bend them. I've seen that happen to RVs. Improve stability of the RV. Believe it or not, it's much more stable since I put the RV pads on the Airstream than it was in the past when they were on some of those orange plastic tiny slabs that you had to take time to position and back and forth 4 times every time, and then you got to dig them out once you lift the jacks up when you're getting ready to take off as part of your checklist. They're great electrical insulators, so if you happen to be in a lightning storm, that should really help the situation as it relates to if you unfortunately get struck by lightning. They make the whole job just so much easier when you're out there RVing. They really help stabilize the RV, as I mentioned before. And so there's your reasons why you really should take a look at SnapPads for your RV and perhaps make a purchase today. I would emphasize this. Be sure and contact the company directly and make sure that you're getting the correct size SnapPads for the stabilizer feet and your tongue jack foot for your RV. Unfortunately, our RV companies sometimes use whatever is available to finish a product, and it could be different than what typically goes on a particular brand or RV. And you think you got the right SnapPads, and in fact they're the wrong size and they won't work. And that can be very, very frustrating. So keep those 8 reasons in mind. And I hope this is helpful, and we'll see you down the road.